Did you know that $2 bills are still minted and in circulation, and that some might be worth thousands of dollars? I'll explain some of the basics that you can look for that really could pay off. Most people don't know what errors to look for. They just put their $2 bills with their coin collection, never to look at them again, or they spend them at the convenience store for a quick stack. Here are a few examples of why these $2 bills sold for so much. Here's a $2 1976 Federal Reserve note. I'll refer to these as $2 bills. The error on this bill is a little tricky until you know exactly what to look for. This is a mismatched prefix error. There are several numbers and letters you need to know about. The first is the Federal Reserve District seal. It's located right here, and this one is the letter B, which means New York, and it's designated B2. The 2 goes with the B designation and is printed in each quarter of the bill. The B also matches the serial number prefix and is located at the beginning of each serial number. Now you can see the error on this note. The serial prefix on the right side is a B, and that matches the B and the 2 designation. The serial prefix on the left is an H, and that should only appear on the H8 designation for St. Louis. You can see how this can slip by the untrained eye. This $2 error note graded 66, and it sold at Heritage Auctions for $1,050. Here's a $2 bill with an error that's a little more obvious than the last one. You can see that some of the details on this bill are upside down. The printing for the third print of this bill was inverted, resulting in the upside down details. This note is in really good condition. It's important not to bend, fold, or excessively handle notes that may have some value. This $2 bill graded 67 PPQ by PCGS, and it sold at auction for $2,115. Here's another obvious $2 bill error note. The seals, district numbers, and serial numbers are all doubled and misaligned, but the back of the note looks exactly the way it's supposed to. You're going to be surprised when you find out what this one sold for. This 1976 $2 bill was sent to PCGS, and it was graded a 65. No folds and in really good condition. The double print error was confirmed, and this Jefferson note went up on the auction block. It sold at Heritage Auctions for an insane $18,000. How's that for a $2 bill? If you learned something, give me an up thumb and consider becoming a channel member. Thanks for watching.